Mbote na bino banso. Boyeli malamu na Lingala kitoko. Podcast ya malamu ya koyokola Lingala na mobimba nango nyoso. Ngaraza molakisi na bino na kombo ya JK29. Na liteya to leso ya lelo tokoyokola makelele ya banyama. Tope makelele banyama basalaka na Lingala. Hello everyone and welcome to Lingala Kitoko, the best podcast to learn Lingala. I'm your teacher, JK29. Today we shall learn about the animals' sounds in Lingala, or the sounds that the animals make in Lingala. Are you ready to learn? Let's do it. Grab your notebook and pen, please have a seat. The animals' sounds in Lingala. Makelele ya banyama na Lingala. Tope makelele banyama basalaka na Lingala. Biso nyoso awa toyibi toba owa yibiti tikala sabino ete mboka na mboka bazana lolenge na bango ya koyebisa yo kombo to lolenge niama aganga to sa makelele na ye. As you and I both know, or for those who don't know, I'm gonna be frank with you. Every country, they have their own way of telling you how the animal sounds like. Not the animals, they are animals, but they do not sound the same as in Lingala, English, French, and so on. Banyama nyos bacha makelele nengo mate tope na koloba makelele banyama basala ya lolenge mote nenge zalaka na lingelesi na li français pe minoko misusu. Animal sounds. Chicken, soso achaka quack 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 na Lingala soso achaka bongo. That's how the chicken sounds like in Lingala. In English, you all know how they sound like. Cock-a-doodle-doo. But in English, it's quack, 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 quack. Pig. Ngulu. Ngulu acha makele oyo. Donc, comment on also go flock ngulu. You're snoring like a pig. Na lingelesi balobaka pig, pork, balls, and so on. In English, we name them pigs, wild balls, pork, and so on. But in Lingala, na Lingala is like ngulu, tongula zamba, ngulu tongula zamba. Dog, mbwa, or imbwa. Mbwa ye acha makelele oyo. The dog sounds like this, makes this kind of sound. Woo, 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 woo. And in English, talk about the dog bark. The dog barks. But in Lingala is woo, 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 woo. Ocha makelele kwa mbwa, woo, woo, woo. You are sounding like a dog, woo, 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 woo. You are snoring like a pig, Cat, meow, cat yata cat, meow atara makelelo, asara makelelo, meow, meow, meow. In English, it's meow. In English, the cat sounds meow, meow, but in Lingala is meow, Meow. A lion. Nkosi. Lion. Nkosi. Lion. Nkosi ya chama kelelo. In English, we say lion roars. In Lingala, is Nazalio. I'm lion. A duck. Libata. A duck. Libata ya chaka. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. A duck quack. Bee. A bee in English we say the bee buzz. Na Lingala about the bee, about enjoy buzz, but na Lingala in Lingala is enjoy ataka zing zing zing. Wana Makelele enjoy asala na Lingala. That's how the big the bee sound. The bee sounds like this in Lingala. Zing zing. Mosquito. Mosquito. O abengi ngungi. Ngungi. Ye Makelele asala ngaza. Ngwing. 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 That's how a mosquito sound. In Lingala. Ngwing. Bangungi o Makelele ngwing. Ngwing. Nalalite. This mosquito. I couldn't sleep at night because of the noise that were making my ear. Ngwing. Ngwing. Mosquito. Ngungi. Snake. Nyoka. Snake. Hiss, as we all know in English, but in Lingala it's different. Nyoka, na Lingala is about hiss, but in Lingala, is that a little more? Goat, bantaba. Goat, taba. Tabas, asala Makelele. Taba. Meme bata Makelele. Me be. In English we say goat or sheep bleat, or sheep say ba. Goat. In English they say goat and sheep they bleat and the bear. But in Lingala is me me me. That's how a sheep and a goat sound like. Taba na meme bata Makelele me. Puku, a rat or mouse. Puka libanda na puka ndako bata Makelele. Twink 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 twink. That's how a rat or a mouse sounds like. Monkey, a monkey. Monkey, gorilla, gorilla. Likaku, monkey. Likaku. Gorilla, gorilla. Bango bataka. That's how gorilla, the monkey sound like in Lingala. We don't hear the same sound as the English or other countries. Toka Makelele toka lolonge moto na batu ya Lingala sipe li français de baka. Ngara ya lolonge mususu. Yo, that was it. It was a special lesson whereby you learn how some animals sound. There are a lot, but we only mentioned the relevant one that people can easily recognize. If the today lesson and the previous one has pleased you, have helped you, don't forget to drop a comment, talk about it, recommend Lingala Kitoko to other people, sign up or follow us. O yekoli shikawa Makelele nini banyama basala ezebe toponi ba o batu bakozala capable ya koyeba o nyama bonya baboy. Soki lite ya to la sala yo to eleke sepesi yo kobosana te. kochali le bato ko combattre, ko partager lingala kitoko na bato misusu, ko s'abonner. I will see you next time.